Typing channel. This is Chris Allen, and today I'll be watching a new video from one of my favorite act from America's Got Talent this year, and she's Danilia Dolishova. Am I right? Yeah, Dolishova from Kazakhstan, and I'll be watching her audition piece way back 2017 in Ukraine. So, actually, those who doesn't know Danileia is the grand winner of Ukraine's version of The Voice Kids, and she was the winner there, and now she's already in America's Got Talent, and she's already part of the semi-final. So hopefully that we will see her to perform in the semis and hopefully in the finals. So with no further ado, let's watch the video, the performance of Danilia in Ukraine's version of The Voice Kids. So go! Okay, there you go. We saw the performance of Danilia, and I was surprised on her voice. Whoa, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. I think I never expect that. She has the at that young age, you would not really expect to have that very strong, very big voice from a little kid. And wow, it's really, now I understand why Kazakhstan and other countries in Russia loves Danilia, because she has a very powerful voice in a very tiny body. Wow, and I think she would be if she would be given more opportunity in regarding industry, definitely she will be the next big thing because of her very powerful voice. And I hope America's Got Talent will be the way, or will be the instrument to give Daniela the chance to shine as a big star, because this voice needed to be shine, needed to be heard everywhere, not only in America, not only in UK or in Ukraine or Kazakhstan, but her voice needed to be heard everywhere in the whole entire world, whole world. I mean, so wow, amazing! That was really really great, and I'm excited to see her other performance in The Voice Kids Ukraine. So thank you to those who, let's see, for Peter for giving me the suggestion of doing reaction video on this performance of Danilea, and now I'm starting to falling in love with her voice. Actually, I'm already in love with her voice in America's Got Talent, and even in the Singer 2019, I already in love with her voice. Now I'm totally falling in love with her voice. As in, wow, I can't wait to see her perform in the semis and the finals, if ever she will get into the finals in America's Got Talent. So there you go. So congrats to Kazakhstan for having this wonderful, amazing, talented young kid. Now she's already teen. So thank you. You have to be proud of her. You have to be. You have to how you call it, to treasure, and hope that she will be given the chance and opportunity to shine and become a big star. If ever she will be given that opportunity, wow, this is a big thing for Asia. Okay, so especially on the Central Asian region. So let's watch out for this little girl, this teen, actually, no, that girl, teen. So congrats to Danilea, and wow, amazing. So that's all I can say about Danilea, the future diva of the world. So let's see. We're crossing our fingers that Danilea will become a diva as in singing diva in the next or coming years or decade or whatsoever. So there you go. So I hope you like my reaction video on Daniela's audition performance in the Voice Kids Ukraine, which was held in 2017. So again, thank you for Peter. So I don't know what his race are or where he came from, but I think I have no idea. So thank you, Peter, for sharing this link, and I appreciate it much. So thank you very much, Peter. So there you go. If you like my videos, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos: comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Alan's Show. And please visit also my other channel, my blog channel, how you call it, Proudly Prompty. If you like food, travel, and well, I have also a few reaction videos there, and mostly the content of my channel there is about Malaysia, because I'm here in Malaysia. I am working and staying here in Malaysia. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching again, and bye bye. Ciao ciao.